We turn the May from the spring into love, and it grows, boy, even when the sky is gray, and it shows, boy, even on a cloudy day.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, we are going to be installing this closure wig step by step because I know a lot of you guys still wear closures and not really into like wearing frontals yet. I absolutely love frontals, but I started with closures. So I decided to switch up and just come with a closure wig and show you guys how I step by step install it. Now this is just the way that I install it, one of the ways actually, because I would really like using Build Hold Extreme Cream, but I know a lot of you guys are wearing closure wigs because you like to take them off because they're super convenient. You don't have to commit to it. You can literally take it off every single day and then just plop it back on. So because of that, I'm going to be using my Gotsby Glue Freezing Hairspray to lay the lace down in the front. And whenever you're using the Gotsby Glue gel or the freezing hairspray, make sure you have like some type of towel or a makeup wipe so that you can wipe away the crust. Okay, because there's always going to be crust. I don't care how good you are, there's always going to be crust when you're using these products. So that's what you guys are going to see me use. Other than that, the only thing that I ended up using is my concealer for the parting space, and then just some black eyeliner, and that's about it. Yeah, that's about it. So let me tell you where this wig is from. And it's from Wiggins. I recommend this company. I like this company. I've tried different textures from this company. I have a playlist, so check it out if you are thinking about wanting to purchase from this company. But as you guys are already probably watching the clip of me installing it, it's pretty self-explanatory. But if there is some very new beginners out there that are watching this, hey, hello, you can do it, okay? Just practice and you can do it. But I want to explain maybe just like a couple things to you guys of why I'm doing what I'm doing in the video. So the first thing is, let's just start with the parting space. So I usually pluck my hairline, but when it comes to the parting space, I don't do it, okay? The hairline is all I can do when it comes to plucking, all right? I just don't have the patience to do anything else other than that. So what I like to do is use a concealer that is lighter, or whatever concealer matches your skin tone. That's your preference, whatever color you choose to use. And I just literally put it in the parting space, and it just basically gives the illusion that the hair is parted, and I feel like it works. I feel like it, you know, it does the job that I wanted it to do. Also, when you have a closure and you cut it, it is like the part of the closure that reinforces it so that it doesn't unravel. It is a little bit thicker and it's lighter, and what I like to do is get a dark brown or a black eyeliner or eyeshadow, anything that you can use. I try to stay in the makeup realm, okay? Don't go get like a marker or nothing like that. But I usually go ahead and I just literally like color. Is that the word I'm trying to use? We just gonna go with it. Usually like just color that spot in so that it blends with my hair that's underneath, and that really usually does the trick. But I am a little extra, so I like to do my baby hairs right around that area so that it definitely camouflages it. Okay, so before I wrap this video up, I do want to touch on how this hair feels. Okay, so the hair feels so lightweight, so fluffy. The only thing about it is that it gets frizzier the more you touch it, and obviously it gets bigger the more you touch it. And if you've been rocking with me, you know by now, y'all know I love big hair, and the bigger the better. I say that all the time. But if it gets a little too frizzy, the look starts to change a little bit. And for me, I feel like I would use my Shea Butter or Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, especially in the front area, because that's what I touch this the most. So I would use that product in here just to define the curls and minimize the frizziness that comes from me touching my hair. So other than that, the curl pattern is so pretty. I love the length. Now the cap is a little bit bigger, Then my circumference, I have a 22-inch circumference head, and I usually wear average cap size, but I will say I'd rather it be a little bit big than a little bit small, because a little bit small is not a lot you can really do, but when it's a little bit big, you can just adjust the straps, or you can add an elastic band, add some combs. Like there's a lot you can actually do with cap size that is just a little bit big. So that's not really a problem. I actually prefer that. So I'm glad that this company has a little bit of some wiggle room. I'm going to say some wiggle room to their cap. And yeah, their cap is constructed really well. I will say in the back, if you guys have gotten wigs before, there's like maybe like an inch and a half of lace in the back. This one does not have that. But usually when I get like wigs like this, I'm not putting it up. I'm wearing it down like this. So and if I do wear it up, I just pull my hair in the back and lift it up. But that's another video. But I think that's all I have to say. Yeah, that's all I have to say about this unit. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me install this unit. If you do, go ahead and like this video and then subscribe, because if you're gonna like something, you might as well subscribe, because I'm gonna have more of it coming. Okay, and yeah, leave a comment down below if you have tried this hair, or if you have any other tips that might help some beginners out there on how to install their closure wig. So with that being said, I'm gonna check y'all lovelies out in my next one. Bye.